Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. We're going to try an experiment. I bought a banana and I didn't like it. I don't know what the heck I ever thought I liked bananas for. It was nasty. So, let's see if the dogs like it. Lucette. Dang. Callie, come here, girl. Callie. She's very picky whenever it comes to food. Come on, sis. Take a bite. I know I didn't like it either, girl. No? Okay. Sammy. No, Luke. You already had yours. Baxter. He's analyzing it. Now let's check his sister. Come on, sis. She plopped it right out. Let's see if any of them eat it. Baxter took it. Yeah. I feel the same way as Callie. I didn't like that banana either, sis. I'll give you all a treat, though, just for partaking. There you go, sis. Where you at, buddy? Come around. Come here, Baxter. Turn around. Let them see your bright, shiny face. Okay. That's it. That's okay. All done. Yeah, me neither. I didn't like the banana either. I think I only ate them because I put peanut butter on them. And I have some peanut butter that I put their pills in. And once in a while, I'll tap my finger and lick it. I don't like that peanut butter either. So I don't know. Well, I guess it was just such an addiction. It was such a fast thing to shovel in my mouth. I don't miss bananas and I don't miss peanut butter, which is kind of cool. All right, bye. Next thing. All right, so this is going to be my breakfast. 2 eggs, 2 slices of bacon, and some tomatoes. I ate a tomato, not some, but one my coworker, Chantel, gave me. Thank you, Chantel. And then my egg. This is one I just cooked in my new cast iron skillet. Well, not my new, my newly seasoned cast iron skillet. Actually, it's for my friend Leslie's cast iron skillet, so I'm gonna get it all done and give it back to her. All right. That's my breakfast. Lunch today. I have got my air fryer going. And this is what we're going to put in it. We've got some leftover beef stew bites. Nope, I'm going to hold off on those. I'm going to put the grill veggies, the veggies that I like to grill. I'm going to put those down in here. Hang on just a second. I left my tripod outside. Hold on. All right, I'm going to dump in the rest of the rutabaga. Get in there. Come on, fella. Okay, we got it all. And then we're going to put in a few mushrooms. I did not season these today, which is fine, because we're going to add the beef to it. So, all right, we're going to put this in for about 5 minutes. We'll do 7 minutes. And then, because then we're going to add the beef bites in 7 minutes. Just beeped, so now I'm going to add the beef to it. I'm going to just pour it right on in there, shake it up a little bit, and we're going to set it for about 3 minutes, and we'll be back. That's how it's looking. It's looking good. I think I'm going to do a couple more minutes. Hang on. And actually, I'm going to go on and add a little bit of seasoning to it now. I'm going to put a little bit of my Bear Rub seasoning on it. I'm going to put a little Total seasoning on it. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it. Give it a shake. And we'll do 3 more minutes. I actually redid it for 3 minutes a while ago. So we'll do 3 more. And then we'll call it done. You know what's funny? My pants are on wrong side out. It's a good thing I'm just at home today. Alright, so she's done. I'm going to turn the power off and scoot it back. And we'll give it a shake. I'm going to hope that everything goes into the bowl. Ignore this, that's for later. Focus on this. It lets you know what stage of my meal prep I'm on when I'm eating. Filled up a bowl. That's all right. It's glass, so looky there, all you people. All right. It's gonna be my lunch today. Like I said, there's a whole lot going on today. Definitely needs more salt. So, all right. That's my lunch. Bye. Supper tonight. I grilled today, and you'll see that disaster in one of my videos. I'm going to add some salt. We're going to add some smoked salt with just the Chef's Blend smoked salt. I'm going to add a little bit of the hickory smoked salt. And then on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of hickory barbecue sauce. You'll understand the need for the barbecue sauce when you see the video. I need something to choke that down. It was rough. I think I almost set everything on. Almost set the whole neighborhood on fire. I do want to add some seasoning to the veggies, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of... A little bit of total seasoning, just a little bit. These veggies were on the grill. I used a shish kebab method and some adobo. Now we're going to microwave this for 2 minutes. It still has the sticker on it that says kebabs. Chew slow. You'll understand when you see that video. I have to chew slow because it's kind of a bad situation. Anyway, the vegetables I can chew fine, but it's the meat I have to chew kind of slow. And so anyway, this is going to be my supper. Got my veggies or my fruit, and I've got some steak and veggies. And that's going to be my supper. Have a good weekend.